Sun, 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 my love. Show me the lights, those dim bright lights, the sun, my love. Show me, show me, show me, sun, my love. Walk with me, walk with me, walk with me to sign my love. From the inner harbor to the outer bay, the arcades, the city lights, so, so bright. Show me, show me, show me, sign my love. Sign my love, sign my love. Oh, 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 sign my love.
Got a little slice of Macau here for you. So we're going to be walking down the Bocage after the typhoon. So let's put this up on the map, and then we're going to just kind of get a whole idea of what's all going on in here. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. So we're in Bocage. We're going to just talk to those two over there and just kind of see about their place. And then we're going to walk all the way down that way and just kind of see what it looks like. On the waterfront, where all the water came in, was right over there, right behind this hotel. So this is some of the water that was here. Oh, that's crazy.
Wow.
It's amazing. So that was all this whole street right in here. And here it was like you said, it was like there. Wow. It's crazy. And all the way up too. Wow. And they even had the storm, so it came up over that. It went over it as well. Like, wow. That's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna walk on down Bocage. So yeah, the water from that guy, he was telling us that the water went a lot higher than but I saw lots of videos. I saw videos where people were catching fish and different stuff. It was kind of interesting. I don't know exactly what street that was, but it would have been in here as well. Let me see if I can show some fish images real quick. Okay. So we're gonna see what we can see on Bocage Street. And it looks like a lot of it is already kind of dealt with a little bit, but I always try to film the streets of Macau anyway, so not all of them are filled with action packed. So you can see some people cleaning up over there. I think the water would have went all the way up there as well, and all of this would have been submerged. You can hear some sirens, some fire departments. It's kind of a good looking street up there. But we've been seeing a lot of people cleaning up already, so there's piles that are already laid out. I believe it's still category 8. They're probably sweeping all that out, and I think the electricity is out too. So so they have candles in there. You just kind of. So we'll just. I was going to ask her how high it was, but I don't think now is the time to ask. So they're also picking up cardboard and debris after the storm, kind of cleaning everything up. Hello. So yeah, this area there's no electricity, but this one does. But those other ones did not. So I don't know if that has a generator. But you can see they swept out all the water. There's still water in there. Let's kind of peek over there. There's some alleys right there. Then we're gonna come up to, by the way, there's some nice artwork up here, which is usually the focus of the street because it's an area where there's a lot of artwork. But I also wanted to see what it looked like after the typhoon. That's kind of what it looks like right there. Let's go up a little bit. So we're gonna go up. And they're already starting to clean up quite a bit as well. But that's Bocage, that's this S Hotel, another hotel called London Hotel right there. And that's kind of what it looks like. And the waterfront where everything was right over there. So that water motor came in and we saw images with fish. And there's lots of security personnel down that way. Maybe we can walk towards that a little bit. And it looks like they're picking up debris and maybe fixing some of the fences, I think. Doing surveillance. That might even be oh, that's a news crew right there. So yeah, they're actually filming the news, I think. So yeah, anyways, that's Bocage. This is more of the waterfront. And it looks like they got most of it cleared up because some of the trees have already gone down and I think they've pulled them away already. There's more and more people walking around, but we're able to capture a little bit of it. And right over there is the waterfront, so that would have came in. So maybe some of the crews are maybe helping out with this, where the ferries go back and forth right there, which is where all the crews are at. Anyways, Bocage is right around this previous opium museum, this yellow building right there, right in that alley. Another slice of Macau.